Hello students, Jarmal Taring once again back with a new lesson which is many lesson about two prepositions in and into. Today we will read about the difference between usage of in and into, where we use in and where we use into. Let's come and learn about the usage and proper usage of in and into. You people know in is a preposition and into is also preposition. Today we will know about the difference between the usage of these two prepositions. Where do we use in? In is a preposition which is used for inside the boundary. When something is present or exists already in a boundary inside something, then we can use preposition in. While into, as I'm written over here, that into is used for the movement. When something is outside of the boundary and comes inside it, then we use that into for the movement, such as he is in class 4th. He is in class 4th. So we can know about his grade. He is already in class 4th. His grade is mentioned and he is in class 4th, or he is in grade 4th. While into, he will come into class 5th. Now, recently and presently he is present in grade 4th, while he is not yet in class 5th. He will come from class 4th into class 5th. He will come from class 4th to class 5th. His movement from one class to other. Then for that purpose we use into. He come from class 4th into class 5th. He will be into class 5th. Or I can say, I am coming into the class. I am coming into the class. He is pouring water into the jug. There isn't water present in the jug. Take an example. My drawing is not too much good, but try to understand it. We have a jug. I am pouring water into it, such as, look over here, we have a glass. I am pouring water into the jug. So over here water is moving. The status of water is over here moving from glass into jug. Then we use the preposition into over here. I am pouring water into the jug, while in is used for that. I am pouring the water into jug. There is less water in the jug. Now you may know that water over here, the status of water is existed, already present. Water is present, while over here there isn't water. We are pouring water from glass into jug. Water is over here moving. Movement is present over here. So you may know better about. Let's take an example of in and into. As I have told you that into is used for movement from outside to inside, while in is used for inside only when it is present or exists already, such as he is in class 4th. He is present in class 4th, already in class 4th. He will come into class 5th. Now he will move from 4th to 5th. For this movement we use the preposition into, such as, look over here, he is moving. He will pass the exam and will be in class 5th. So he will come into class 5th. He is moving from class 4th to class 5th. Then we use the preposition in. For movement we use into, while for already exist and present we use in. Over here he is in class 4th, while here he is moving from class 4th to class 5th. There is less water in the jug. There is less water. We know that a little amount of water is present in the jug. So I talked and mentioned that little amount water present. I am talking about present in the jug. If water is present or exist in something, any object, then we use in. While if it is not present, water is being poured in something else, then we use not in. Water is being poured into object, another object, such as over here water is being poured into the jug. I am pouring the water into jug. I am pouring water into the jug, while there isn't water already in the jug. There isn't any water in the jug. So we use that. He is pouring, I am pouring water into the jug. Jug, before pouring, jug was empty. So the water is moving from an object to another object. For this movement we use into. If you have any question regarding in and into, you can comment and ask a question. I will try to give you best example. So, like the video, comment and subscribe my channel.